What's up, everybody? Welcome to our ultimate guide on how to become an influencer. If you've ever dreamed of making a living by sharing your passions online, you're in the right place. We're about to drop some serious knowledge bombs that'll take you from zero to influencer status. We're talking millions of followers, brand deals, and enough clout to make a real difference. This isn't some get-rich-quick scheme, though. It takes hard work, dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. But trust me, the rewards are insane. So buckle up, grab your phone, and let's get started on this wild ride to online fame. All right, first things first, you got to figure out your niche. What are you obsessed with? What gets you fired up? Is it gaming, beauty? Maybe it's something totally unique, like competitive goldfish training. Whatever it is, it's got to be something you can create content around day after day, week after week. And don't be afraid to get specific. Instead of just food, how about vegan desserts or extreme hot wing challenges? The more specific your niche, the easier it will be to stand out from the crowd and attract a dedicated audience. Think of it like this. Would you rather be a small fish in a big pond or a big fish in a small pond? Exactly. Find your niche, own it, and become the go-to expert in that space. We're talking building a community of people who share your passion, people you can connect with, inspire, and who, let's be real, will think you're the absolute coolest. And remember, authenticity is key. People can spot a fake from a mile away, so be yourself, let your personality shine through, and don't be afraid to get a little weird with it. The more genuine you are, the more people will connect with you on a real level. So take some time to really think about your passions and what you bring to the table. What makes you unique? What do you know a lot about? What do you want to learn more about? Once you have a good understanding of your niche, you can start brainstorming content ideas and building your online presence. But don't get too caught up in the details just yet. The most important thing is to get started and start creating. All right, now that you've found your niche, it's time to start creating some epic content. And I'm not talking about some blurry, poorly lit videos shot on your grandma's flip phone. We've got to step it up a notch. First impressions are everything. And in the online world, your content is your first impression. So we're talking high-quality videos, crystal clear audio and editing that would make Michael Bay jealous. Don't worry, you don't need a Hollywood studio to create amazing content. Start with what you've got and gradually upgrade your equipment as you grow. A decent smartphone camera, some good lighting, and a basic editing app can go a long way. And remember, content is king. Experiment with different formats like vlogs, tutorials, challenges, or even short films. The key is to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. Think outside the box, push the boundaries, and don't be afraid to take risks. The more creative and original your content is, the more likely it is to go viral. And don't forget about the power of storytelling. People love a good story, so find ways to weave narratives into your content. Whether it's sharing your personal journey, documenting your creative process, or just telling a funny anecdote, stories will help you connect with your audience on a deeper level. Chapter 3. Engage with your audience. Build a community. Creating awesome content is just the first step. To really become an influencer, you got to build a community around your content. That means engaging with your audience, responding to comments, answering questions, and making your followers feel like they're part of something special. Think of it like hosting a party. You wouldn't just stand in the corner by yourself, right? You'd mingle with your guests, strike up conversations, and make everyone feel welcome. It's the same thing online. Respond to comments, even if it's just a quick thanks, or run polls, ask for feedback, and host Quanda sessions. The more engaged you are with your audience, the more invested they'll become in your content. And don't be afraid to show some personality. Let your guard down, be yourself, and don't be afraid to get a little goofy. People connect with people, not robots. Another great way to engage with your audience is to collaborate with other creators. Team up with influencers in your niche, do cross-promotions and guest star on each other's channels. It's a win-win situation. You get exposed to a new audience and they get exposed to yours. Building a community takes time and effort, but it's one of the most rewarding aspects of being an influencer. So put yourself out there, be social and have fun with it. Chapter 4. Collaborate with other influencers. Two heads are better than one. You know what they say, teamwork makes the dream work. And that couldn't be more true in the world of influencing. Collaborating with other creators is like unlocking a cheat code for growth and success. Think about it, you've poured your heart and soul into building an awesome community, but there are tons of other amazing creators out there doing the same thing. Why not join forces and tap into each other's audiences? Reach out to influencers in your niche, brainstorm some epic collaboration ideas and create some content that'll blow your audiences away. You could do a joint video, a fun challenge, a giveaway, or even just a simple shout out. The possibilities are endless and the benefits are huge. Not only will you reach a whole new audience, but you'll also gain valuable experience, learn from each other, and build relationships with other creators in your industry. And who knows, you might even make some lifelong friends along the way. Collaborations are a win-win for everyone involved, so don't be afraid to put yourself out there and start networking. Reach out to your favorite creators, attend industry events, and get involved in online communities. The more connections you make, the more opportunities for collaboration will come your way. Chapter 5. Stay consistent and patient. It's a marathon, not a sprint. All right, let's be real for a second. Building a loyal following and becoming a successful influencer takes time. It's not going to happen overnight. You're not going to wake up with 1 million followers just because you posted one cool video. It takes consistent effort, unwavering dedication, and a whole lot of patience. You've got to be in it for the long haul, my friend. Don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. Keep grinding, keep creating, and keep putting out amazing content. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a successful influencer career. The key is to stay consistent with your posting schedule. Whether it's once a week, twice a week, or even daily, find a rhythm that works for you and stick to it. Your audience will come to expect new content from you on a regular basis, so don't disappoint them and don't be afraid to experiment and evolve your content as you grow. Try new things, listen to your audience's feedback, and always be on the lookout for ways to improve. Remember, the journey of an influencer is all about learning, adapting, and growing along the way. So embrace the challenges, celebrate the victories, and never give up on your dreams. And there you have it, folks. Our ultimate guide to becoming an influencer. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips on becoming a successful influencer. Now get out there, start creating, and show the world what you're made of. Remember, the journey to becoming an influencer is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay dedicated and you'll see results. Peace out.